Let us consider question number 37 of NECO SSCE 2024 Mathematics Objective Past question. It reads, a boy walks 4 kilometers due west. He then changes direction and walks on a bearing of 214 degrees until he is southwest of his starting point. How far is he from his starting point? Correct your answer to 1 decimal, please. So let us illustrate this with a diagram. Assuming this is the boy's starting point. Starting point. We're told that he walks 4 kilometers due west. So our cardinal direction, we have north, south, west, and east. So 4 kilometers due west will be in this direction. So he walks 4 kilometers. So this is his new position. And walks on a bearing of 214 degrees until he is southwest of his starting point. So from this position, he walks on a bearing of 214. This is a 3-figure bearing, so we take our measurement from the north. 214 will be in this quadrant. And it keeps moving until it gets directly southwest of its starting position. The span of southwest is 90 degrees. So when it gets directly, that means it bisects the angle, and we have 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. So we need to get the value of this angle. From here to here is 90 degrees. So this small required angle will be the entire angle minus 90 degrees. That is 214 minus 90 degrees. And this gives 124 degrees. So this angle is 124 degrees. 124. Now, lastly, we can get the final angle in the triangle, the last angle, which is this angle. We know that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So the last angle will be 180 degrees minus the sum of the two other angles, 124 plus 45. And this will give us 11 degrees. So this last angle has a value of 11 degrees. How far is he from his starting point? Now, this is his starting point, and this is his new position. So the required length is this one. This is the distance that we're asked to find. And from the triangle, we can use the sine rule to find the length of this side. Let's call it x. So employing sine rule, we know that this angle, 124, is opposite this length, x, the required length. And also, 11 degrees is opposite 4 kilometers. So we can use these two to get the value of x. So we have sine, let's start with the length, x over sine 124 degrees is equal to 4 over sine 11 degrees. So multiply both sides by sine 104 degrees. Sine 124 multiplied by sine 124 degrees. This cancels this, and we have x to be equal to 4 sine 124 degrees all over sine 11 degrees. And when we punch this into our calculator, we obtain 17.379. But remember that we are asked to correct our answer to 1 decimal place. That's 1 digit after the decimal point. So we consider the first digit after the decimal point, which is 3. Then we look at the digits after it and ask if it's able to give 1 to the preceding digit. 7 is a number greater than 4, so it's able to give 1 to 3. So to 1 decimal place, this will be 17.4 kilometers. 17.4 kilometers is the answer to question number 37. See you in the next one.